Hello everyone, and welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to use Flippa to buy or sell an online business. I have mentioned link in the description for you to try Flippa. In this video, you will learn everything you need to know, from creating an account to completing a transaction. Whether you are a first-time buyer or someone looking to sell a website, app, or online store, this guide will help you navigate the process with confidence. Let's start by understanding what Flippa is. Flippa is a popular online marketplace for buying and selling digital assets. These include websites, apps, domain names, e-commerce stores, and even content-based businesses like blogs and affiliate sites. Flippa connects buyers and sellers from all over the world and provides tools to help you list, discover, and close deals. To get started, you will first need to log in. On the top right corner, click on the Sign Up button. You can register using your email address or connect your Google account. Once you're signed in, you will see a dashboard. From here, you can browse listings, manage your account, or start a listing of your own. Let's begin with buying a business. On the home page, you will find a search bar where you can enter keywords for the type of business you want. For example, you can type in dropshipping store or blog or mobile app. Below the search bar, there are filter options. You can filter by price range, revenue, profit, age, traffic, and business model. These filters help narrow down your search so you only see listings that match your goals. When you see a listing that looks interesting, click on it. You will be taken to a detailed page that shows all the information the seller has provided. This includes financials like revenue and profit, website traffic, business history, how the business operates, and what is included in the sale. Many listings also include screenshots, performance charts, and links to Google Analytics or Shopify dashboards for verification. Take your time to review the information. Look closely at the numbers and try to understand how the business makes money. Does it earn from ads, product sales, subscriptions, or affiliate commissions? Also, check what expenses are involved. This could include hosting fees, paid tools, or advertising costs. You want to know what your monthly profit would be after expenses. Once you find a listing you like, you can either buy it at the asking price or place a bid. Some listings are auctions, where the seller sets a starting price and buyers place bids over a set period. Others are classified as fixed price sales, where you can buy the business immediately. For auctions, be sure to watch the countdown timer. If you bid during the last few minutes, the timer may extend to prevent sniping. If you have questions about the listing, scroll down to the discussion area and post a comment. This is public, so other potential buyers can see it. For private questions, click on the Contact Seller button to send a direct message. You can ask for more financial details, a live demo, or even schedule a call. When you're ready to make an offer or place a bid, click the appropriate button. If your offer is accepted or you win the auction, you will receive a confirmation email from Flippa. You will then be guided through the Flippa transaction process. This includes identity verification, contract signing, and transferring of assets. Flippa uses a secure system called Flippa Escrow to protect both buyers and sellers. The money is held safely while the business is transferred and only released once everything is completed to the buyer's satisfaction. Now let's switch to the selling side. If you want to sell a business on Flippa, start by clicking the Sell Now button at the top of the site. You will be taken to a form to create your listing. First, choose the type of business you are selling. You can pick from options like a website, e-commerce store, app, or domain. Let's say you select e-commerce. Flippa will then ask you to enter your store's URL. Type in the full web address of your store. Next, you will be asked to describe the category of your store. Choose the option that best fits what your store sells. After that, Flippa will ask about the platform your store is built on. You will see options like Amazon, Shopify, WooCommerce, and others. Pick the one that matches your store. For example, if your store is on Amazon, select Amazon. Then, you will be asked about how your store makes money. You will see a list of business models. These may include selling physical products, drop shipping, subscriptions, digital products, or advertising. Just select the one that applies. If you are not sure, choose the closest match. After that, you need to enter your financials. Flippa will ask for revenue and expenses for the past 5 months. Be as accurate as possible. You can type in the revenue for each month and then list your monthly expenses. These might include product costs, advertising, shipping, or software tools. Then, Flippa will ask you to describe your primary expense. This is usually your biggest cost. It could be shipping, paid ads, or inventory. Just write a short sentence explaining it. Next, you will be asked what assets are included in the sale. These are the things the buyer will get if they purchase your business. This might include the domain name, the website, the product inventory, the customer list, email accounts, supplier contacts, or standard operating procedures. You can list everything the buyer should expect to receive. Then, Flippa will ask if your business has social media accounts. If you have any, like an Instagram, Facebook page, YouTube channel, or Twitter account connected to your business, you can enter the links here. This helps show that your business has a presence outside the store itself. Now it's time to write a description of your business. This is a very important part. Take your time and be honest. Describe what your business does, who your customers are, how you make money, and why you're selling. You don't need to write a long story, but try to give clear details. For example, you can say how the store operates, how much time it takes per week to manage, and whether the business has growth potential. This is your chance to help buyers understand the value of what you're selling. After writing the description, Flippa will ask you to upload screenshots or other media. This is where you add proof of income, traffic stats, and any other helpful visuals. Try to upload screenshots from Shopify, Amazon, or your payment processor. This builds trust with buyers and increases the chances of selling. Next, you will be asked to set your price. You can choose a fixed price, a starting price for an auction, or set it as negotiable. Flippa also gives you the option to upgrade your listing. These upgrades include things like homepage promotion or highlighting your listing to get more views. These are optional, and you can choose them if you want more attention on your listing. Once you complete all these steps, you click Continue. Your listing will be submitted for review. If everything looks correct, your product will be published on the Flippa marketplace. Buyers from around the world can now view your listing, ask questions, and make offers. After your listing is live, check your Flippa dashboard often. You can see how many people have viewed your business and how many are watching it. You may get public comments or private messages from interested buyers. Answer their questions clearly and politely. The more responsive you are, the more trust you build. If someone makes an offer or places a bid, you will get notified. You can accept the offer, reject it, or send back a counteroffer. Once you agree on a price, Flippa will guide you through the final steps. This includes identity verification, signing terms, and transferring all the assets to the buyer. The buyer will inspect the business after receiving everything. This inspection period usually lasts a few days. If everything is in order, they will approve the transaction and the payment will be released to you. Make sure to deliver everything that was promised in your listing. This includes website access, domain transfer, social media accounts, files, and any instructions the buyer needs. Try to make the transition smooth for them. Once the sale is completed, both you and the buyer can leave a review. Positive reviews help build trust for future deals on Flippa. If you want more support, Flippa also offers extra services. You can get help with writing your listing, getting a valuation, or working with a broker. These services are helpful if you want expert assistance or have a larger business to sell. Preparing your business well before listing is important. Clean up your financials, check your website for issues, and organize your files. This helps you attract more serious buyers and get a better price. That's how you sell a business on Flippa. Now you understand how to create a listing, provide all the important details, add supporting documents, respond to interested buyers, and complete the sale. Whether you're selling a side hustle, a profitable store, or a well-established brand, Flippa gives you the tools to connect with serious buyers and close secure deals. Just remember to be honest, stay organized, and communicate clearly every step of the way. I have mentioned link in the description for you to try Flippa.